Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in our previous video we did the list. So today we are going to study about tuples in Python. Okay. So first thing, in the list we can add multiple items. Okay. So in the tuples also we can add the multiple items. But we have some difference between tuple and list. So we can say tuple are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Means in a same variable we can add any number of items. So we can say tuples are built-in data type that is used in a Python to store a collection of data. Okay, like list. So in the list also we are storing the multiple data. In the tuple also we are storing the multiple data. So we can say a tuple is a collection of which is ordered and unchangeable. Okay. So in the list we have a square bracket, but in a tuple we have round bracket. Okay. So now we will see the tuple how we will declare the values in the tuple. Okay. Suppose I have one variable which is ABC in this variable. So how you will declare your tuple with the help of your round bracket. Now here I'm going to add some items like we can add code for kids, which is our channel name. After that, suppose here we have scratch. So you can add the second item scratch. After that, we have next like a Python. So you can add the Python also, like Python. After that, how you will print this? You need to just write print and your variable name, which is ABC. Now, if I will run, you will get all three items. Okay. So in this way, we can declare our okay. In this way, we can declare our tuples. So what is the error here? As you can see here, we have a dot. So you need to take a comma, not dot. Okay. So now you will get value in the round bracket code for kids, which is our first item. Then you will get scratch, which is our second item. Then you will get the third item, which is Python. Okay. So we have some tuple items. So we can say tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicates value. In the list also, we can take a duplicate value. In the tuple also, we can add duplicate value. The most important part here, tuple items are indexed. So for every item, we have some index value. The first item has index 0. Okay. After that, the second item index has 1. So here index numbers start from 0. Okay. Next, ordered means what? When we say that tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Okay. So that's a tuple are ordered. After that, unchangeable means what? Tuple are unchangeable. It means that we cannot change, add, or remove items after the tuple has been created. Okay. Next, allow duplicate means what? Since tuple are indexed, so we can add duplicate items here. So now we will check that how you will add the duplicate values. Suppose here I want to add one more Python. So Python. Now if you will run, it will give you the output, not the error. Okay. It means Py tuple are here we can allow the duplicate value. Next, how you will find out how many items we have here, like your tuple length. Okay. So for that we have len function. So what I will do, Simple, I will copy the code. Now, here you need to use your print length function, and then we need to take one more bracket. Now, if you will run, so what value you will get? So, what is the index? 4. Here we have 4 items. If you will add one more item, it will return you the value as 5. Okay. After that, even we can create, suppose if you want to create tuple with one item. Okay. So how you will do that? How you will create the tuple with one item? Okay. Now, suppose I want to add only one item. So my variable name ABC here. I want to add ABC value. Then I want to print ABC, my variable name. Now see what will happen if you will run, you will get ABC. Okay. But what happen if you will take comma here? See, now this is your tuple. So if you want only one item, so you have to use this comma. Otherwise, you will get your normal value, not a tuple value. Okay, understood? Next, we can here we have different types of data types in a tuple. It means, suppose if you want to create integer tuple, or if you want to create your float type tuple, or if you want to create your string type tuple, even you can do that. Suppose here int tuple equals to, I want to add the value like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Even we can add str tuple, which is, so now I will add some string value here. So always you have to write string inside your double quote, or you can write in a single quotes also, like PQR. After that, so we have integer, we have string now. Then even we can take float tuple. So here we can add the value like 4.5 comma 1.2, like this. So here we will take equals to. Now, how you will print this? You need to just write print. What is our first variable? Int t. Again print. What is our second variable? Strt. Then print. What is our third variable? Third one is float t. Now, if you will run this, what you will get? So what we have error here? See? Okay. So we took the wrong variable name. Okay. So always you have to check what you did the mistake. Okay. After that, what we have the next? Yes. Can you just imagine? So suppose if you want, how you can access the tuple items. So access means what? I will take this example. Suppose you want only one value or two value. So how you will do that? Means you don't want to print all the values. You want to print only one or two values. Suppose we have this code. Here we have 4 items. Now I want to print my first value, my first indexed value. So always in a Python, the tuples start from index 0. Okay. So in the index 0, we have code for kids. In index 1, we have scratch. So what you will get the output, you will get scratch, not code for kids, because the index number of code for kids is 0. So if you want, you will get, you have to write here 0. Now if you will run, you will get code for kids. Now we have some negative index also. So negative index means what? So negative index means we can say start from the end, not start from the starting position. So here minus 1 refers to the last item. Like in our example, we have Python. Minus 2 refers to the second last item. Okay. So reverse indexing start from minus 1 and your positive means your starting indexing start from 0. If you will write minus 1 here, so what will happen? You will get Python. If you will write minus 3, so this is our minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So you will get scratch. Okay. So this is our indexing negative. Here we have range of indexes. So range of index means what? Here we can specify a range of index by specifying where to start and where to end. Means some range, your minimum value, your maximum value. Okay, so see when we specify the range, the written value will be a new tuple with the specified item. Suppose I want to give the index number, like I want to print 1, 2, 3 value. Start from 1, end with 3. So in the 1 we have scratch. So what you will get? You will get scratch Python. Okay. So in this way we can take the index also. Okay. So this is our tuple. Here you can create a tuple. You can add some items. Okay. After that here in a tuple, it is allowed duplication. After that, you can find out the length of the tuple. Here we have some mixed values also. If you want only one item in the tuple, so you need to give the comma. You have to remember this, okay? After that, how you will give the range, how you will give your negative values, okay? After that, always the tuple will start from index number 0 and we have some negative indexing also. So this all are the tuple methods. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. So now please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay. So thank you so much.